What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be giving updates on Bretcoin because I do believe that we have something extremely special here, and I'm going to keep emphasizing it because I feel like sometimes people do need to hear things multiple times. We know in general marketing, you need to hear something 7 times before a person really takes the time to understand and maybe goes on and do a little bit more research on said topic. But again, what we're going to talk about is Bret. Why? Why is it Bret? Why is Bret the chosen one for the 2024-2025 bull cycle? I'm going to go ahead and explain that in thorough detail for you all in today's video. So pay attention, lock in, because you have an opportunity here that you can either pass up like you did for previous ones. And I have a lot of receipts to discuss. So make sure you buckle up. And let's go ahead and just bear with me for the 7 to 8 minute video. I hope I don't go much longer than that. But let's go ahead and dive in. The overall cryptocurrency market is looking great. Bitcoin right now is showing some strength as it broke its previous all-time high from 2021, and it's been consolidating nicely right around that all-time highs as we're awaiting more liquidity to enter the market. With that being said, Ethereum now, after the Ethereum ETFs have been officially approved, we're expecting significant liquidity to start being deployed and added into Ethereum as a coin as institutions start to pick up their own supply of ETH. Remember, these are both finite assets. They don't have printing. They don't have the ability. They're deflationary. They have no ability to inflate and increase their circulating supply. Correct? Correct. So with that being said, why do I always look at meme coins for the potential for the highest upside gains? We've seen it with Dogecoin. We've seen it with Shiba Inu. But for both of these here, I think the excitement and hype around them right now lies within the people that have already been holding. Remember, these are both significantly down from their all-time highs. Dogecoin touching nearly 70 cents, Shiba Inu touching right around 90,000 Satoshis, or a $44 billion market cap. And then for Dogecoin, it was somewhere around 75 to 80 billion, both at their respective all-time highs. So with that being said, this bull cycle comes with a different change. And that is when we look at Pepe. Pepe right now has been showing some insane strength in 2024, up almost 1,000% year to date at a $6 billion valuation. Remember, just again, receipts are important. And for Pepe, the first time I personally made a video on it was April 19th, 2023. Started discussing it on Twitter, right around an $18 million market cap. It broke resistance that I was looking for something to enter price discovery. At that time, it was at $142 million valuation. Meaning if you bought in then and held till now, you can do the math. You're probably up somewhere near about 50x in terms of gains from that video. Now, when you look at something like Bretcoin, I initially mentioned it on this channel on March 2nd, 2024. And I mentioned to you all that I do believe that this is something that's going to follow in suit of Pepe. At that time, Bret was sitting at a $49.22 million market cap. Where does Bret sit today? Yes, at an $894 million market cap at the time of this recording. And you might think, well, man, I should have bought when you mentioned it on March 2nd. And that's what a lot of people's mentality might be. I'd rather get into a meme coin anywhere between $1 to $5 to $10 million market cap. But I think what's interesting and what makes Bret so enticing, in my opinion, is the room for upside. And I'm going to compare this to other meme coins that entered into the tier 1 meme coin stage. And that is Pepe, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. So for Bret specifically, the narrative and the concept behind this coin and what makes it so spectacular is, first and foremost, it's on Base Chain. Yes, a layer 2 that is currently looking to onboard as many new people onto their blockchain, both builders, companies, you name it. It's just looking to, again, bring in a lot of people into its ecosystem. And with that being said, Bret being the biggest meme coin on Base, going through significant volatility, coming down all the way to a $200 million market cap, and then breaking its all-time highs over the last 48 hours. So with that being said, Coinbase right now has Bret on their radar. And that we know from previous history. You've seen it on my channel. We've seen Shiba Inu get listed on Binance together. We've seen Shiba Inu get listed on Coinbase together in September of 2021. We saw Pepe get listed on Binance and what that did to its price action. So that's what makes Brett such a unique pick. Not only is it the biggest meme coin on Base, not only does it have a significant amount of market cap already, and it has over 200,000 unique holders. And you can see all these things over on the contract and on Basecamp. I would highly encourage anything I say in this video that you guys go ahead and verify. But there's currently 294,000 holders that hold Brett coin. Those are unique wallet addresses on chain. When you bring that kind of value and numbers into any blockchain, people tend to recognize it, especially those who built that blockchain. So think about it. Base is an entity of Coinbase. Now, with Base seeing this kind of influx of new people coming on chain to the layer 2, right? This is not including people that hold on centralized exchanges. That gets you excited and that makes you think, when will Coinbase decide to list it? For now, let's keep seeing the growth and watch the trajectory move forward. So again, 294,000 unique holders. Brett is currently sitting at an $895 million market cap. And if we go over on CoinMarketCap and we search Brett coin, we can see here under markets, it's only listed on basically low tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 exchanges. Bybit being the biggest. So much respect to the team for being able to get it listed on Bybit. I know that's massive. And shout out to Bybit for deciding to list Brett coin. $53 million of trade volume. Yes, that is amazing for a newer meme coin that's only been around for right around 3 months now, approaching. In the month of June, we will hit that milestone, or actually right now, end of May. But Gate.io, BitGet, BingX, LBank, XT, these are all smaller exchanges. Universally speaking, yes, they have some significant volume that comes in, but again, nothing like Binance, nothing like Coinbase, nothing like Crypto.com, nothing like Kraken, nothing like KuCoin. And those have yet to list Brett coin. So with that being said, once Brett enters into price discovery, they continue building the way they do. And just go over on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, make sure you do so. But this individual right here, I keep giving him flowers and kudos because, again, why did Pepe do so well early on? They had an individual by the name of Pauly who's become one of the most controversial yet most influential individuals on the Twitter front and Twitter space, right? He was running spaces on a daily basis for Brett as it continued to grow and thrive. And from there, he decided to create his own projects, but Crash specifically, the way this man utilizes his marketing knowledge, you can tell he's somebody that has experience. He knows what he's doing, and the impressions speak louder than any words or any post. 24,000 from 4 hours ago. Look at 6 hours ago where Crash went. 48,000 impressions. Look at this. Anytime he retweets something, 33,000 impressions. The numbers don't lie. 7 hours ago, 80,000 impressions, talking about the different type of marketing fronts that Brett is doing, both in Asia, here in the United States, and much, much more. So again, you guys know what I do on this channel. I mention new opportunities to you all and try to help anybody who's interested to show them what to do, right? In terms of, do you make the decision for buying or selling any asset based off information shared? 100% no. You go in, you verify the information I send, and then you make the decision for yourself. So with that being said, I believe, conservatively speaking, that Brett has the ability to maybe even 20 to 30x from here in the short term, because those listings are yet to come. And we know those specific listings that I mentioned, there's no Robinhood, there's no Binance, there's yet to be any Coinbase, of course, Kraken, KuCoin, you name it. All of these different exchanges, OKX, for God's sake, none of them have listed Brett yet. So when the time comes and Brett gets listed on those exchanges, we're going to see significant liquidity because those exchanges have to buy their own supply. We're going to see price discovery yet again, fear of missing out. We're in a bull market or entering into a significant super cycle. So we're going to see retail money also come in. You combine all these things together with Coinbase's big marketing concepts and ideas that they're going to be implementing for building on Base Summer, it's all going to happen. So again, you make the decision for yourself, but I'm super excited for Brett coin. And I think the upside is huge. The downside is minimal. And just pay attention to the chart. If you're someone that wants to keep looking for entrance, there's always going to be red. But remember, it could be followed by some significant green days, as we've seen over the last 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Pretty much up, consolidate, up, consolidate, up, consolidate, up. And now we're entering consolidation before the next leg up to potentially billions and billions. I appreciate your support. That's all I had. And until next time, as always, everybody, information down in the description and keep investing. Peace.